Hey guys, Paulo here. Today we're talking about something that seems super simple on your desk, but once you upgrade it, you never want to go back. This is the LLANO tempered glass gaming mousepad, a 17 by 15 inch slab of micro-etched glass that's designed for FPS gamers, low-sense players, and honestly, anyone who's sick of replacing cloth mousepads every year. And because I already own the Pulsar Superglide V2 Glass Mousepad, I'm going to compare these two directly and help you figure out which one actually makes sense for your setup, or if glass mousepads make sense at all. So if you've ever wondered, are glass mousepads actually worth it? Let's find out. So let's start with the basics. The LLANO pad is the large XXL large version, 17 inches by 15 inches, around 3 millimeters thick, weighs about 3 pounds, and it's made from 7H tempered glass with a 0.85 micron etched anti-glare surface. So if you translate that into normal language, it's a big, heavy, low-profile sheet of matte glass that your mouse basically glides on like it's on rails. The surface isn't glossy, it has that super fine etched texture, so you might get very smooth glide, but still enough micro feedback that your aim doesn't feel like it's floating out of control. Underneath, you've got a rubber set of pads on all four corners that keep the whole thing locked to your desk even when you're flicking hard in FPS games. Before I get too deep into the LLANO specifically, let's answer the real question. Why glass? Why are people suddenly paying premium prices for what looks like a fancy cutting board for your mouse? Well, there are a few big reasons. Consistency. Cloth pads wear out. You get dead zones, shiny spots, edges that curl, humidity that changes the glide, and every few months the pad starts to feel different. Glass doesn't do that though. The surface you feel on day one is basically the surface you'll feel years from now, as long as you don't smash it, obviously. But with the speed and control you get from this thing, glass mousepads are naturally really fast. But the trick is in the micro-etching. Pads like this LLANO and the Pulsar Superglide take a raw glass surface and then etch it at a microscopic level. LLANO calls it out a surface roughness of about 0.85 microns, which is actually finer than a lot of standard glass mousepads. That etching gives you skates just enough texture to control micro adjustments while still feeling dramatically faster than a cloth pad. You've got zero maintenance, meaning if you've ever hand washed a cloth pad in the bathtub, you know what I mean. With glass, you spill coffee, energy drinks, whatever, you wipe it down with an included microfiber cloth and you're back to brand new. No stains, no this corner feels slower now, none of that. For longevity, a good glass mousepad is pretty much a buy it once item. You might replace your mouse, your keyboard, your monitor, but the pad just lives on your desk and it does its thing for years. Granted, you don't crack it or break the glass. The only thing you really chew through faster are your mouse skates. PTFE feet on glass will wear faster than that on cloth. That's true across all mousepads, so just budget for replacing skates or dot skates over time. Let's talk about what this actually feels like to use. The LLANO surface is smooth, fast, and quiet for a glass pad. It's definitely quicker than a standard cloth pad, but it doesn't feel uncontrollable. Once your muscle memory adjusts, flicks feel extremely clean and micro corrections feel very intentional. I'd put it in that speed pad with real stopping control category. LLANO also calls out the 3mm thickness as a comfort feature, and honestly, I agree. The edges are CNC machined and beveled, so when your wrist slides off the pad, it doesn't feel like you're hitting a harsh lip. It's more of a soft angle transition down to the desk, so you don't get that weird pressure line on your wrist during long sessions. If you're like me and you're at the desk for a long gaming session or long work sessions, editing, browsing, doing all the normal stuff, this does make a big difference over time. Now, of course, there are some quirks with glass mousepads that a lot of people probably don't tell you. Glass mousepads are amazing, but they're not perfect. So let's talk about a few quirks. The LLANO is definitely no exception here. They start cold. That first contact in the morning, that pad feels cold to the touch, especially in our Canadian winters. The good news is that after about 10 minutes, your hand warms up to the surface and it feels neutral. But if you hate that initial cold shock, that's something to keep in mind. The noise with Glass Mousepads have some level of audible swish and whoosh when you move your mouse. LLANO is on the quieter side though, especially compared to really hard glossy surfaces. But certain skates or metal bracelets, rings, or watches will definitely make a sound if you're wearing it on your gaming hand. You'll want to take off metal accessories on your mouse hand or they'll rattle against the surface and you could scratch it over time. For skate compatibility, some budget office mice or Bluetooth mice don't track very well on glass. Gaming mice from Razer, Logitech, Pulsar, etc. are usually fine, but you may have to tune your DPI or adjust sensitivity in software in your settings. That's normal and takes about 30 seconds, but it's worth knowing. For your desk space and weight, this thing is really heavy. Around 3 pounds, it's physically big. That's great for stability and it doesn't move, but if your desk is shallow or keeps your keyboard very close to the edge, measure first. Once it's down, it's not the kind of pad you casually just slide around. So how does the LLANO compare to the competition? In this case, I've already got the Pulsar Superglide V2, so let's take a very quick comparison between the two before you make a decision. These are both two Glass Mousepads, similar purpose, very different positioning. First, the thickness and feel. The LLANO is about 3mm thick. It feels a bit more substantial, more slab-like on the desk. The glide, however, is fast, but there's a slightly more controlled because of the micro-etching and thickness. Pulsar Superglide V2 uses a 1.5 aluminosilicate Gorilla Glass. It's thinner, lighter, and has a very slick, fast feel that's a bit more raw. If I had to describe it, the Pulsar feels like hyper-polished performance glass, whereas the LLANO feels like a more serious gaming glass with a bit more comfort and control built in. For the base and stability, the LLANO uses a rubber pad on all 4 corners plus its own weight to stay put. In my opinion, it doesn't really move unless you physically pick it up or do aggressive push downs on your mouse. But the Pulsar Superglide V2 has a full high-density silicone rubber base that covers the entire bottom surface. Once you set this guy down, it almost suction cups to your desk. Zero flex, zero slide guaranteed. Both are stable though. Pulsar just takes it to the extreme with that full silicone base. And I don't think that really makes it a big difference for the LLANO to be that much of a difference than the Pulsar Superglide. For the accessories, LLANO includes a dust cloth for cleaning, which is essential, but no dot skates in the box. If you're going to go live on full glass full time, I highly recommend looking into sleeves and dot skates anyway, regardless of which pad you use. For the size and pricing, the Pulsar Superglide V2 XL is a bigger boy at 20 by 17, so it's slightly larger than this LLANO pad. And as mentioned earlier, the LLANO comes in at exactly 17.7 inches by 15.8 inches. It's still big, just a bit more desk friendly, but the Superglide definitely dominates. In terms of price, typically the Pulsar sits in that true premium tier, whereas the LLANO comes in noticeably more affordable, especially for the size and specs. So the way I see it, if you want maximum surface, premium Gorilla Glass, full silicone base, and included with dot skates, Pulsar is your I'm fully committed to glass life option. If you want 90% of the experience at a more accessible price with a slightly more controlled glide and a thicker, more forgiving feel, the LLANO makes a ton more sense. So who is the LLANO mousepad for? Well, get this pad if you're serious about FPS games, tracking, or flick shots. You're tired of swapping cloth pads every time they wear out or get gross. You want a surface that's always consistent no matter the humidity. You've got a dedicated desk setup where this pad can just live. Now, the reasons for me to skip it is if you love that soft, cushiony feel of thick cloth mouse pads, you move your setup consistently, or need something more portable, or your main mouse is a cheap office Bluetooth mount that doesn't track well on hard surfaces. But if you're already using a decent gaming mouse, and especially if you play low sense, long arm aim style, the upgrade is actually kind of shocking. So to wrap this up, the LLANO MP001 tempered glass mousepad is a really compelling entry point into the world of glass mousepads. You're getting a micro-etched 0.85 micrometer surface, 7-inch tempered glass durability, a big 17 by 15 workspace, a comfortable 3mm profile with beveled edges, and a surface that's just as fast, consistent, and ridiculously easy to clean. If you've been curious about glass mousepads and want something that upgrades both your gaming performance and the look of your desk, this LLANO is honestly a great place to start. I'll leave links down below to both the LLANO and the Pulsar Superglide V2 if you want to check the current pricing or specs. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and let me know. Are you a team cloth, team hybrid, or are you ready to go full glass? Hit like if this video helped you out, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, see ya.